So okay, this is I hope this is the last. I think we are about to settle that down. Purchase ID 1, okay, 2. So we are able to say,
Now
okay,
it's added.
now it is added, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what if let's try to purchase again. We say ID 20 and quantity 1. So it's not added.
Okay.
Because actually that ID is not really inside the item dictionary. Okay, so if you look here, there is no ID 20. It is ID 134, 23, and 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why it's not added. So
Gotcha.
if
We don't have it.
yeah,
Okay.
so let us have a look here. Sorry. What about now? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now I can.
So okay, add to cart. You see here, he said add an item to cart from the items dictionary if the item ID exists here. If it doesn't, so upon successful addition, you will return true, otherwise return false.
Okay.
Okay, and you see here when the item is added,
Uh-huh.
he will print something. Uh, uh, I mean, this is specific. Two
Yeah.
of ID 1 added to cart. I
Yes.
just I just write added, but you are able to do the. I mean, it's simple, right? You can just
Yes, I'm able
you
to do
just
that. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
And here, so if it is not found, he would say ID 30 not found,
Uh-huh.
returning to main menu.
Yes.
Okay, so this is you will replace my not added with this kind of
That makes
repeating.
sense.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so the last thing that we should be doing is checkout.
Yes.
Okay, so checkout. Let me see. So when we print here checkout, he will say thanks for shopping. You purchase the following items.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then he will proceed to print everything
Okay.
in the cart dictionary using
Uh-huh.
the display all items,
Mm-hmm.
and then he will print one more line. The
The
total
total.
amount is this amount. So this
Okay.
this one is which function responsible for it is checkout cart.
Yeah.
Okay, so the checkout cart will take a dictionary and it will return the total amount purchased using the user cart.
Yes.
Okay, the user cart have inside the price and the quantity of each item. So
Yes.
so we need to go through all the items uh, inside the cart dictionary, and then we need to add a total.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, okay. 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 Let me see. Let me see. Here we share. Um, okay. Sorry. This is sorry. I'm not sure. Wait. Is that ours? Yeah. 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 That's ours. Yeah. Okay. So option 3, we need to add. You need to do add to cart, and we need to pass the cart dictionary. Okay. I think the printing, uh, anything printing according to the spec, then it's very easy for you to do it. I no need to go through
Yes.
it, right? What
Yes.
I need to come out from here is that we need to check what this function returns. So this function actually return the total, and then you are
Yes.
able to print it out. Let me see here. So okay, now we go to that function definition here. Sorry, the screen is yeah.
Um,
Okay, add to cart, add to cart. Yeah, add to cart. We have done. Add to cart. We add. We need to what? Check out. Sorry, check out. Let's check
Okay.
out. So yeah, it take a card dictionary. So he said add your code here. He said for each key in cart. Okay. So here for what? For key in cart. What we need to do? Tell me.
So we need to get the price. Okay, let me just read. We need to get the price. We need to get the quantity. Okay, so the quantity is the same as what we did for the earlier one, right?
No, it's different because it's stored in now. It's stored inside the list of the value.
Okay, I see. Mhm.
Um, so see, if we have a card and if we have a dictionary and we have a key inside the dictionary, so
Mhm.
we are able to get values.
Yeah.
Actually, I follow exactly his way, but if I put dot items here, I'm able to get the key and the values one shot. But let us not let's follow his style. So
Okay.
if we say like that, we are able to get the values here. So I'm able to print values
Uh-huh.
like that.
Yes.
Okay. But wait, I should modify. I should modify here to put checkout.
Check out. Yes.
Okay. And then I able to run here. So if I put I put checkout here. Pop up. It doesn't. It just prints 3, which is not what I want to see. Um, don't don't print that anymore. It's confusing. So checkout cart values. It doesn't print anything. We need to add to the cart first. Wait, sorry. So we need to purchase an item first. To
Okay.
purchase it, we need to put ID 1, then
Uh-huh.
quantity 2. So
All
it's
right.
added, and if it is added, then we go to checkout.
Okay.
So you see now
Yes.
inside
Oh.
checkout, we are able to get our values.
Mhm.
So
Okay. Now.
that is the print here. Okay.
Okay.
So you see here we got price, we got quantity.
Yes.
So if we say price equal values,
One,
so one, is it one or two? One, yes, you're correct. Okay, what quantity?
two now, right? Okay. I see what you. Okay.
Huh? Can we put two?
Yep.
And then what we need to write here.
For now, we need to do the price now, right?
So total plus um, I would say like that, price multiplied by quantity. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Mm, you think it should work like that? What do you
Uh,
think?
let's try it out.
Okay. Yeah. Let's print total. The problem here is that we have to uh, redo the whole thing again.
So two,
Um, ID
maybe
1, 2, and then we enter checkout.
two.
So we have a problem here. Tell me, what is the problem and how to solve it?
Oh, you can't. So price equals value one. So you can't multiply two strings, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
that's what I'm saying. So we have to convert that string into an integer.
How to do that?
Uh, so you could do values one equals I think
You still remember that function?
Yes, float, yes.
Okay. So okay, like that. Actually, here quantity, it can be an integer
Uh-huh.
because or we can also put it as a float. Not I mean it's the same, but it doesn't make sense to me to put it as a float because quantity is just a number. It's not
Yeah,
two items and half or okay.
exactly.
Yeah. So let's try to run
Oh,
again.
the float is messed up.
Sorry again.
The float, line
Yeah.
34.
Yes. You're correct. Why he doesn't like it? Doesn't yeah, okay, now he like it.
Okay.
Okay, so purchase ID 1, now 2, now checkout. What do you
Okay,
think?
so let's see. What it did was it just displayed the price.
You have to do something slightly different. I mean, according to the
And
spec.
according to the spec, you would do the total amount is. So I know how to do that part.
So the total amount, you have to just add the text.
Yes.
The total amount is, and then you pass the values that you already get from the function. And this two
Yes.
is the one that we need to test finally before we end. Just we want to make sure that the code that we put for printing with quantity, see here, he
Huh?
doesn't put quantity here. See,
Yes.
but it's already here. So
Mm-hmm.
to me, it makes sense that you add quantity here, but it's up to you. You want to so this is different when you are printing what is inside the cart. When he is printing see when he's just printing what is inside the items dictionary,
Uh-huh.
he doesn't put line.
Yes.
Only when he print for or for checkouts, he print with
Yes.
line.
Yes.
So that's why. So and again, he doesn't put quantity, but for me, I think you should put quantity because he already showed it here.
Okay.
Okay. So what we should do is just slight changes that we should uh, do. We should go to wait, where is the display all? Okay, display all is here. So I would like to no, I would like to print and print something like that. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And we said already we already have a quantity and yeah, what else we need to do? Yeah, so we need to add that function to
Uh-huh.
here. So after we get the amount, check out here. So after we get the no, before we get the amount, we need to display. So you do display all items and
Uh-huh.
we pass it cart. Okay, does this make
Yes.
sense?
It does.
Okay, so we run again and we have to add to, oops, it's not there, it will not be added, so we have to add again,
Yep.
add 3 items. Okay, now we need to check out, we put 3. So see, what do you think here? I'm able to print with quantity, I'm able
Yes.
to print that line
Yes.
here correctly and able to print the amount. You just need to put the correct syntax that I mean, the
Yeah.
formats that he put only,
You're
and that then it should work. And
you're
the
right.
code like that, it should work.
You're
Okay.
right. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, do you have any other questions?
So for all of this stuff, you explain everything well. At least for this assignment and the other one. So I think I'm good so
Good.
far.
Good. So, but again, let's try to be more organized to
Yes,
save
correct.
our time next time.
Yeah,
Um,
so what I was thinking is I'm gonna look at your schedule and I was thinking if we could do um before I'll try to do it before the assignment is due. So I'll send you all of the files that I need to and then I'll work on it and then after that we can meet and then after that you can prepare the lesson according to that as well.
yes. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Gotcha. So I'll look at your schedule tomorrow and then I'll schedule from there.
Great, great. Okay, take care then.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks. Okay, take care. Bye bye.